Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Gemini Live on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. To use Gemini Live, there's quite a few things that are worth knowing. First, I'll show you just the basic usage of and how to turn it on. So you may want to either press and hold on the power button. Now click on this little icon in the bottom right corner. I put that on hold, but you can see now I'm in the live mode. And I can start speaking to it like I would to a person, and it's a conversation. It'll respond, then I can interrupt, I can ask another question and stuff like that. And also what's good here is that you can click on the home button to actually continue using your phone while Gemini is in the background. I'll show you that. So now you can see that it shows this little light at the bottom, which indicates that Gemini is listening to me, and it also shows listening at the top. I can do whatever I'd like here to use Gemini, right? And you can ask it whatever question you want, like something that you want to learn, something that you want to check, something that you want to know more, whatever you wish. Now I will close it and I'll show you some other things that you can do with the Gemini Live. By pressing and holding on the power button, you can click on the, I'm in live now. If you click on this little button, it will let you click on share screen. Now Gemini sees my screen, and I could ask it, for example, what's on my wallpaper, and it would tell me that it's the Beatles wallpaper. So that's pretty great. And now there's also another thing right here, which is pressing and holding. Then if you go to the Gemini Live, then you'll see this button right here, and that lets you point on with your camera onto something, and it'll tell you what does it see. So I'll try it again, but I'll just stop speaking for a moment. So let's do it. What do you see?
I see a small potted succulent. Are you looking for care tips, or do you have something else in mind?
Is it a real or artificial succulent?
It's a little hard to tell from the video, but it looks artificial. The leaves appear very uniform and perfect, and real succulents usually have slight variations. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, also I wonder what brand this laptop is.
Okay, I see the laptop now. It looks like an HP. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about it?
Okay, so it made a mistake, but maybe because my monitor in front of me is HP, and never mind that. Like, it really works in some cases. Of course, you never can trust AI 100%, but it may be useful in identifying some things that you don't understand, and you may test it out yourself and see if it works for you well. Now, another thing to mention here is a Hey Google feature. You can see that when I said Hey Google out loud, it actually opened the Gemini. If you don't have that option enabled, go to the Google app, then go to your profile icon in top right corner and go to settings. Then go to Google Assistant, and now you may want to go to voice match. Now make sure Hey Google is enabled. I'll show you how to enable it because it actually requires you to say 4 phrases out loud, so I'll do it to configure voice match. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, and it works. You can see it set up, and now whenever I say, "Hey Google," it opens Gemini. So that's also great. Also, if your power button didn't work, you weren't able to open Gemini, or instead it opened the Bixby, which is a Samsung assistant, which isn't really that good, you can go to settings and then find advanced features, and now you'll be able to find the side button. Now go to long press and make sure it's set to Digital Assistant Google. And now it'll work. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.